In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Gumroad to Kajabi using Zapier. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, make sure your product is already published and ready to sell. After that, open Zapier and create a new Zap. For the trigger app, search for Gumroad and select it. Now choose the trigger event called New Sale. This trigger will run automatically every time someone purchases your product on Gumroad. Next, connect your Gumroad account using your API key and authorize the connection. After the trigger is connected, choose Kajabi as the action app. For the action event, select Grant Offer or Grant Access to Offer. This allows new buyers to automatically receive access to your Kajabi course or membership. Now connect your Kajabi account and choose the specific course or offer you want customers to access after purchase. After that, map the buyer information from Gumroad, such as the customer email address and full name. Once everything is connected, click Test Zap to make sure the automation works correctly. If the test is successful, click Publish to enable the workflow. Now, every time someone buys your Gumroad product, they will automatically receive access to your Kajabi course without any manual work. You can also create multiple automations for different products and courses if needed. And that's how to connect Gumroad to Kajabi using Zapier. Thanks for watching and goodbye.